What's up everyone, Ace Motorsports bringing you guys another video. So as you can tell, I'm taking out all the Banshees. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Banshees. I'm going to start uploading a bunch of content in regards to Banshees. In this particular case, I will be taking apart this engine and putting it on that frame since this frame is bent. Go ahead and watch the video where I got this bike at a auction here in California for dirt cheap. Talking about dirt cheap. So if any of this stuff interests you guys, go ahead and like the video, subscribe. Got a lot of content coming out with Banshees. I'm going to be doing leak down tests. I already cleaned up that frame. Let's take a look. This frame was filthy. Take a look at that frame. I took out that engine and I have it right there. You guys can see. Okay. So let's go ahead and get to it. So what we're going to be doing in this video is just showing you guys how to take out a engine from a Yamaha Banshee. Once I'm done taking out this engine, I will be putting it into that Banshee. Maybe I'll throw it in the same video. I'm not sure. Let's see how long it takes to take off this engine. It should be fairly quick. But yeah guys, let's get to it. So like I said, I'm gonna show you guys how to take out this engine from this Banshee. I will be doing another video because before I put it into that Banshee, I will be doing a leak down test. So I'll show you guys how to do a leak down test. If it's not too clear, you guys can go ahead and watch South Texas Banshees. Go ahead and follow that guy. Nothing but positive words for that man. I did go ahead and buy a leak down test kit from him. Check it out. So here it is. Kevin Galindo, that's the man right there. Guru of all gurus for Banshees. Let's get to it guys. Okay, so the steps for taking out a engine from a Banshee. In this case, I will need to take out both of the hoses. Oh, my crushed finger. I will need to take out both of the hoses for the coolant. And then, I believe this is a 14 or 12, so you take off this bolt here, and then you take out the, I don't know, like the supports that are down here. There's both of them. And how I did it was I took off this shift side cover, and then I took off the chain, and that was the easiest way for me to take out the engine. Now there may be other ways. If there is, drop a comment down below. Let me know what's the fastest and easiest way. That's how I personally did it. Worked out pretty quick. You'll see for yourselves. Okay, everyone. So I know the angle's pretty bad, but if you guys see this bolt was stuck, pissed me the hell off. I go out a drill, start drilling out the screw, and so you can tell, there it is. So that took about 20 minutes of, took longer than what it should took. It took 20 minutes more for this freaking bolt that's stripped out. This is why it's trash. But at the same time, I have it in my Banshee and I've never had a problem with the bolt. Like, whoever had this bike before, why would you tighten it so much? I really don't understand that. It's not meant to be tightened like that. There you guys have it. There is the stator. Everything looks to be good. Yep, everything's good. Bolts are good. You guys know my other Banshee, gap looks perfect. You guys know my other Banshee, one of these stator bolts. So I got that white Banshee at an auction, and one of these stator bolts came out loose and was grinding up all of my wiring. So that's why that Banshee, it started and I rode around the block and it turned off. Some people will be really mad at that, but I thank God that happened. Why? Because I learned so much from that. I learned all of the electric, which is a little bit, but all the electricity, like all the electric components from a Banshee, from your switches, your key, your coil, your stator, I learned everything, you know, why a Banshee wouldn't have spark. So now, looking at it, thank God that happened. So it depends how you look at things, guys. You could be positive or you could be negative. I choose to be positive. Thank God I actually found one of these. If you guys know, my dad has some tools in the back, and it's a lot of tools. And I literally, like, right when I thought, man, this is horrible, like, I'm never gonna find it, this was literally popping out, like, right at me. And I took the other nut from the other engine and it fit, man. That's God. That's God, you know. He knew my patience was growing thin, and that's God for you right there, you know, handing you tools so to finish working on the Banshee. It's beautiful, man. Look at that. Just like that, guys. So easy, so fast when you have the right tools. So we'll take this off. Split this right on out. Take off the actual star, the sprocket. Move the chain out the way. And put everything back the way it was. What's keeping me from removing this engine is this little line here. There's some coolant that's coming out. A lot, actually. Why? Sheesh, it's pissing out. Now I just gotta take off the supports in the bottom. Again, size 14. Thank you, Yamaha, for keeping them all one size. It is very much appreciated. If you're watching this video, you have any Banshee somewhere in this warehouse, sheesh, hit me up. Sponsor me. Sponsor me. Yamaha, please sponsor me. What else needs to be done? Clutch, lever. Okay. Move that vent hose. Clutch is gone. Wiring's right here. Alright, guys. So we come to the point where a Banshee engine should be able to come out. Let's get it out. Perfect. Much easier. See my wiring out to me. Perfect. She's coming out right now, guys. Call me Doctor Transplant Banshee. That's what we're about to do, guys. We're about to take out this beautiful heart, put it into that beautiful soul over there. Because this soul right here, see, it's all crashed and bent. This soul's dead. She's gone. She ain't never coming back, boys. She's gone. Be for sale though, because this VIN has pink slip. So although she's gone, she's still worth something to somebody. Get this shit. Oh, I don't want to get it from right there. Oh. Okay. And there she is, boys. The doctor has done it once again. So here is the Banshee engine. I will be doing a full cleanup, completely cleaning up this engine. I would say in the next couple of hours, next 30-40 minutes, be pressure washing it, making it look brand new, cleaning it up, doing everything I could do to make it look nice and clean. Cases are going to be fucking crisp, I promise you that. What else am I going to be doing? Maybe the bottom of it. I know a bunch of coolant's about to leak out, but it's alright. Bottom of it, we're about to shine it all up. But there you guys have it, guys. Hey, Motorsports, bringing us another video. Today we learn how to take out a engine from a Yamaha Banshee. This particular bike, I believe, is a '89 Yamaha Banshee. I actually need to see if it will fit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it might be different wiring. Yup, it's different wiring. Wow. It's different wiring. So that just got a lot more fun. I might need to take out all the wiring from this bike because it's different. 1987, 1988, 89. They have like the circle pin. This is a 90. That one's a 98, 1998. This is an 89. So yeah, that just got a lot more fun. I need to strip out all the wiring and throw it onto that bike. Yay, more stuff to do. But yeah, guys, watch you guys another video. How to take out a Yamaha Banshee engine. If you guys like this content, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Cause look at them hands, man. Least you could do. Give it a thumbs up. Banshee, 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 Banshee. Nothing but Banshees on this page. Take care, guys. Have a good rest of your day.